Leadership and management are two terms that many people use to mean the same thing. It is assumed that if a person is a manager, then they must be a leader. Well, that is not necessarily true. We would like to see a manager behave like a leader, but this does not always happen. A project manager is to be a manager but also needs to be a leader. So, what really is the difference between a manager and a leader? Let us review some of the key differences. A manager relies on and uses the formal power to get work done, while a leader uses relational power to guide and influence the team. A manager is happy with accepting and maintaining the status quo, and so relies on establishing control to administer. However, a leader will challenge the status quo to develop and to encourage innovation among the team. This is achieved by inspiring the team and developing trust. A manager attends to the bottom line, that is to achieve the tactical targets and the near-term goals, so the focus is on solving the issues and problems faced by the operations. Maintaining systems and structures is of prime importance. The leader, on the other hand, is all about long-term vision. So the focus is on motivating and inspiring the team, aligning the team to that long-term vision. So the leader will be constantly working on developing relationships with people. The manager wants to do things right, so will ask questions like how it will be done and when it will be done. The leader wants to do the right things, so the questions our leader asks are what will be done and why it will be done. This relates to the idea of challenging the status quo. Asking the question of what and why is fundamental to challenging the status quo. As I said in the beginning, that a project manager needs to be a manager and a leader. Both go hand in hand in this role.